guys, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could automatically remove duplicated values from an Excel sheet or an Excel table. To do that, you will need to open your Excel file. However, let's start with a little simple process by highlighting duplicated values to show you how it looks like. So I select all the columns, I click on conditional formatting in the home bar, and I will select highlight cells rules, and I will select duplicate values. I will leave it by default to the red light and I will click OK. The second option, I can always just select unique and it will only highlight unique values. So for now, I'll select duplicate values and click OK. Now I know exactly what are the duplicated values. Hence, instead of deleting them by hand manually, I will just select, since I'm interested just in removing duplicated values from the column B, I will click on column B to be selected. I will click on data. And here I will select remove duplicates. Sometimes it will appear expand the selection. You can click on remove duplicates and here and select all, and I will select column B in which I'm interested. I want to remove those duplicated value fx and 2, 6, all those duplicates. I will click OK. And as you can see, Excel is telling me 2 duplicate values found and removed, 13 unique values remain. I will click OK, and those duplicated values has been removed. I can go ahead with the same and repeat it for each column, or I can just select all the columns and apply this rule to it. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always write us a comment or leave us an email and we'll do our best to help. If you would like to encourage us, you can always press like, share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.